Hi guys, I'm just quickly going to go through the importance of training, trying to get power into what you're doing. Okay, so often if you're training speed or power or whatever, and go for an exercise, often what you get is you're just trying to do it just sort of a bit half-assed, just try and finish the exercise. Now, if you're trying to get power, or speed or whatever, it's not just doing that exercise, it's really having that mindset. That's what you're trying to achieve and really going for it. Okay, it's like with anything really. The more you just sort of coast through things, I mean, okay, if it's a fitness thing, you will get a bit fitter, etc. But you're not really going to achieve the goal that you want. So with power, okay, just training on your own. What I really want you to try, okay, it's just this exercise. So really, rather than with this punch, okay, just doing this, okay, I can do that fast, okay, yeah, and the other one, etc. But that's not really going to do a lot of damage, okay. So what I want you guys to do is start twisting the hips, okay, but doing it, not just doing this, really, okay, moving literally just the hips. You can move on your feet on a 45 angle, okay? So you don't, I'm not saying twist like right round or anything, but just this much, okay? But really put some, okay? Really torque your hips and, okay? That's all I want you to do. Okay, really twist, okay? So then when you've done that a few times, really concentrate on getting that snap in the movement. Then I want you to try a punch. So what I want you to do is slowly twist on that 45, okay, and hit. You can hit wherever you want. You can hit head height, stomach to the chest, okay. But I'm going to do this, okay. So you can call this a shovel hook. Hit to the stomach, solar plexus, okay, or even to the throat. So what we're going to do is just twist, okay, and just start off slowly, like you would in any training exercise. It doesn't really matter about a traditional guard or nothing, or bring back to your hip. Just this. That's it. Twist on the 45 at the same time. It's no good doing that after because you lose. Okay, you're trying to get it all in sync. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Then, when you've really learned to torque your hips, okay, I want you to put it all together. And so when you're delivering this punch, the idea is to get maximum power and snap, okay, maximum damage to the opponent. That's what you're thinking of. The opponent's there, he's attacking you, I'm hitting him, I really want to destroy him, okay. That's what you've got to think, you've got to have in the mindset. So when you put it all together, start off slowly again, okay, you're twisting, you're punching at the same time, and then you're really working that hip. It's more hip than arm, because like I said, if I stand here, okay, I can, probably not the best example, but I can get some power into it. As soon as you twist that hip, okay, and you really put the effort in, and yeah, okay, that's all in sync, all building up to that last moment when you twist, boom, okay. You do not need to move your hand back and hit the person, okay. It's nothing like that. I can literally deliver it from here to there. If I've got that hip movement, yeah, again, my hand's here, it's hitting there, okay, yeah, to the head height, okay, yeah, that's what I want you to do, guys. So if I wanted to, I could go hours just doing, yes, yeah, lovely, yeah, I'm getting better at the jab, I'm getting better at the shovel hook, yeah, it's lovely, yeah, get better at the chop, whatever. Really, you're not getting a lot from it. If you want to hit that person, yeah, that's what you've got to have in your mindset. If you're focusing on speed, maybe not power, so, yeah, you've got to really think, right, trying to hit that person without him blocking or getting away. Yeah, got to focus on hitting that target before he sees it, okay? Same thing with the punch. Boom. Might not necessarily need to be powerful, perfect technique, but yeah. Okay, hitting that person fast. Trying to get the power, okay, yeah. Same with the punch, yeah, really trying to get aim for that person, really try and have the mindset, okay, and then really train what you're trying to achieve. Makes a whole world of difference. So just food for thought, okay, when you're training, don't just go through the motions, know what you want to achieve and really go towards that, guys. Okay, so till the next video, I'll see you then.